Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to unstar a video in Google Drive. If you've been using Google Drive for a while, you might have starred several files to keep them easily accessible. However, there may come a time when you want to declutter your starred items. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. This can be done on both Android and iOS, so make sure you have the app installed and logged in with your Google account. Once you're in the app, it's time to find the video you want to unstar. You can scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top of the screen to quickly locate your video. Once you've found it, look for the three dots next to the video file. This icon is often referred to as the More option and will give you additional choices. Next, tap on those three dots. A menu will appear with several options related to that file. Here, you'll want to look for the option that says Remove from Starred. This option allows you to unstar the video, effectively removing it from your starred list. After selecting Remove from Starred, your video will no longer appear in the starred section of Google Drive. This is a great way to keep your starred items organized and ensure that only the most important files are easily accessible. And that's it. You've successfully unstarred a video in Google Drive. Remember, this process is not just limited to videos. You can unstar any file or folder in your Google Drive using these same steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips on managing your digital files effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.